So what's the challenge, Mandy?
If I fall,
You lose.
no, you have unlimited hours. to
Hey,
use
don't touch my...
yourself.
Hey, don't touch...
You have unlimited to watch soccer ball.
What? I'm not even watching that. And then if you fall down...
And if I fall down, then you can watch basketball. Unlimited.
Unlimited.
And you can even say bad words.
Wait, no.
Since that you want.
Oh my God. Okay, come on, let's go.
And Papa, if I don't fall down,
India.
if I don't fall down, then I have unlimited.
Screen time
Yes.
for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, just wait. Okay.
You ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1, go.
Going back to Honolulu. Jato. Uy, tibay ah. Hindi so strong ah. Hey!
Guys, sorry ha, sorry. Sorry.
One more.
Bang boy, ding ding boy.
Ding dang boy, ding dang boy.
Sing na ding wing boy.
Hey, don't shout.
Hindi ay nalamunan mo ako kumain ka ng tela.
Hey, don't fall asleep. I'm sleeping there.
Ow, ow,
It's not going down, guys. The koala is not going down.
Wait, let me fix my hair. Let me fix.
Oh, it's not going down.
Okay, I win.
Yeah, there. The last challenge. Hey, Mandy, yung saliva. Did it fall?
Yeah.
Really?
Really? Nasipon.
Oh my God. Really? On my back.
Yeah.
Wipe it. My God, really?
Yes.
Wipe it.
I can't.
Oh my God, really? Oh my God. Oh my God, that's it, guys. Bye.